who's there?
Drew's gone. His dad met him.
Do you love him? Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Do you wish you could shake his hand?
I wish I could love him.
What else do you wish?
I just want his autograph.
Do you want it? What if you kissed Drew Scott?
Oh my freaking god! They definitely don't even like. Or they wonder like, why is he part of this?
He's gay.
Like, oh my, like that's not even like, no, like that's like a picture someone took. like, it's not even off, like, some, like, no, this isn't even, I'm gonna, like, if I put this on Tumblr, I'll be the first one, and no one else will be able to get this copy, because this is my copy. Oh my god. Oh my god, King. Oh my god. Like this isn't even, like, this is, like, from phone to phone, not even, like, on